Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect Vantage to MT5, MetaTrader 5. So first of all, I will show you how to do this with a demo account. So we go to accounts, select right here a demo account. Then we go here to open account, demo account, select here the recommended MetaTrader 5. Then from here click on standard, the currency is USD. Choose leverage, 100 to 1 is fine. And then we select here the balance, 10 grand is fine. It's just for an example. Then we do submit and then we do confirm. And then right now we created our account right there. And they sent an email to us. And that email is exactly the email that we needed in a few seconds. Because in that email is standing our login and our password. And that is looking like this. So this is our login and this is our password. So you need to use that in a few seconds. Then right now we go to downloads. And then from here we select here the MetaTrader 5 for the platform that we are using. Or let's say the device. Now I want to use it on Windows. Then he's downloading it right there. Then we click on download. Then we do yes. Then we do next. And now he is downloading the MetaTrader 5 setup. So we just need to wait a little bit until the download is done. And then there it is. We click on finish. There's the MQL5. Then we select here Vantage. And then now we click here on connect with an existing trading account. And now we take the email that we just received, copy this and paste it right there. Then we do exactly the same for the password, copy it and paste it right there. Now we do finish and boom, we are live. We just connected the Vantage to MT5. So this is how it works. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.